All right, we are live. What's going on, guys? Josh Smith here, aka the Dadtreprenewer. Um, yeah, I gotta say that for the intro because this is going on YouTube. I gotta figure out how to do all that fun stuff. But anyways, this is so much easier than the Facebook Live. So for you guys in the Facebook Live group, just gonna kind of do it this way for right now until I get a better feel for how live works. I was supposed to be able to do it like this with a screen share, but for some reason it just doesn't want to work on my web browser. Or with my internet connection. I don't really know. I haven't took the time to really figure it out yet. So I appreciate your patience with me on those lives, but check it out. Laptop CEO, the shirt just came in. I'm so pumped up about that. Yeah, really living that lifestyle. So actually really excited about it. The shirt is really, really cool. Anyway, enough about that. We're going to get into this and we are going to do a basic ClickBank training today. You guys have been asking me so many questions and I'm ready to drop some bombs on you right now. This is going to be a real quick, fast training on what you can do and how you can set it up in ClickBank really, really fast to start making some money. And so this is actually a funnel. We'll start here real quick with the funnel. Actually, no, we won't. We're not going to start with the funnel. That's stupid. I'm going to start with ClickBank because that's what we're doing. We're going to use the funnel with ClickBank, but let's start with ClickBank. So let's go down over here. Okay, so this is actually inside my ClickBank account. It looks like I got a sale today. That's kind of cool. Sale a couple days ago. This is a pretty inactive ClickBank account. I actually got a warning to reactivate it because I had been so dormant on it for a while. I started my affiliate marketing journey on ClickBank. I don't really use it anymore, but I want to keep it active and I want to get sales, especially when they warn me, because these right here, $23.34 and $23.16, that's actually reoccurring commission. So I don't want to lose out on those monthly reoccurring commissions that I have because my account's inactive. So anyway, what you're going to do, you're going to go to www.clickbank.com and you're going to sign up for an account. You're going to create it. I'm not going to walk you through that because it literally takes 5 minutes. Not even 2 minutes. It takes 2 minutes. But once you're inside your account, this is kind of what it's going to look like. And then you're going to come over here. And it's not, yeah, there you go. Now it's showing you. You see that down there. It says Affiliate Marketplace. So you head on over here. And this is the fun part about ClickBank. So now you're actually in the marketplace, right? And so your first thing you're going to want to do on ClickBank is identify what kind of niche you want to be in. So if you follow me a lot on TikTok, right, I'm on the make money online niche, the online entrepreneur type of space. So that's a good thing for me. However, there's tons of different niches. There's people who have fitness accounts. There's people who have health and wellness, cooking, seen on TV, that type of stuff. And it all matches up over here, right? So like, for example, there's sports, there's politics, current events, parenting and families. And I think that's actually where we're going to go today. And I'm going to actually show you guys one of the amazing products that I promoted. And I'll actually show you behind the scenes of the funnel and campaign and show you how easy it is really to get it set up and have it working. So here we go. Let's go to parenting and families. Yeah. So then cool. As you see, like you go down in here, right? And this is all the different offers. I mean, they've got pages and pages of offers. Like right here, you got children learning reading, amazing reading program. Awesome. New reading head start. This one's amazing. This is actually the one that I promote. And so the cool thing about ClickBank is you come over here, right? And you can just click on this. It'll take you to the website. You can grab an affiliate link here. But the good thing about ClickBank in the good products on ClickBank, the ones that convert a lot, they have this affiliate page right here. So before we get into that though, here's what I want you guys to look at. And this is a huge tip. Not enough people talk about this. If you're very familiar with ClickBank, you probably know it, but this gravity score right here. See this it's called a gravity score. And that one's 85. This one's 39. As you go down, $30 or $30, $50, 21. So what you want to do when you're looking for an offer on ClickBank, you want one, the higher the gravity score, the better. And here's why. Because what gravity score measures is the amount of people selling the product compared to how many sales are being made. So the higher the gravity means there's tons and tons of sales being made. There's people having success. There's multiple people having success selling this offer. So the higher the gravity score, the better. So right here, 85. That's why I kind of chose this one in the first place. It's actually a really, really cool program once you watch the sales video. But anyway, so then you just head to the affiliate page. Okay, cool. It tells you a little bit more about what it is, right? It tells you the actual structure. So like that was the cool thing about this thing. Like when I was making sales and actually running this one, I did about 1,300 or 1,500 in a month. Um, and made about 500 profit because I was actually running ads, but we won't get into that right now because that's a little more in depth. I want to give you the quick, like beginner way to start this out. So they've got an amazing sales funnel. It converts like crazy, but like there's yearly reoccurring commissions. You get paid $70 commission on a 197 front end offer. So like what I was making like 120 something every time I sold it. And then you get 70% of the 37 monthly reoccurring commission. There's one-time offers, like with a possible cart of like, I think my best sale was like 385 from one sale. But anyway, so that just tells you a little bit more about what the offer is and why you should promote them and what like the actual sales funnel behind it. And then tells you what the product actually is. So like if you're a parent and you like teaching your kids to learn how to read and you've seen this before and you think it's a great tool, then go ahead and promote it. So what we're going to do, we're just going to put a name, Josh. Nope. Josh Smith 1407 Gmail. Yeah, this is just, go ahead and send me an email. This is my spam email anyway, but my big dad 1407. Yeah, funny thing about that name, right? We won't get into that story. That's another story for another day. But anyway, so here you go. Once you go over to their page, this is called the JV page. In the good offers, the really good sellers on Clickbank who know what they're doing, they'll have all this stuff. And you come over here, right? This is where you generate your hop link, and that's the most important part. So you know that ID that I just typed in, Big Dad 1407? If I wanted to promote this offer, I would copy this right here. And where it says your ID here, you're just going to select that and you're going to type in your Clickbank ID, which is what you get when you sign up. So I would replace that with Big Dad 1407. And then I'd have my link. They've actually got new stuff for 2020, live into alternative sales letter. So a different sales letter. And then for hot leads, actually, who have commented on your Facebook ads, but we won't get into that. Again, we're not going to talk about ads right now. But again, the good JV pages, as we call them, they'll actually have demographics. So I use this, and actually when I ran my Facebook ads, I targeted only females, and it seemed to be absolutely amazing results for me. So if they have this, use this information, especially if you're going to run ads. Yeah, so they got a whole bunch of cool stuff here. And then look, they've got different keywords to target. So if you're using like Google ads, they've got different banners for social media. They've even got email swipe files. So if you're using an email autoresponder, they actually have swipe file ideas for you. So that's awesome. Articles, Facebook content, infographics. So they've got a bunch of cool stuff. So anyway, what you're going to do, you're going to grab your link right here, which is what I've done already. So now we're actually going to go back to my ClickFunnels, right? And here's a campaign that I actually set up already. So basic, but this is the one that made me $1,300 like in my first week. So right here, all it is, landing page, right? So you have that link, you create a landing page. Like this is an actual picture that they gave me over on their JV page. And so here you go. So you build out your landing page. And if you go back and watch the other ClickFunnels for Beginner training or the bridge page training, you'll know all about landing pages. So basically, look, I mean, it's a free video for anybody who wants to teach your child to read but doesn't know where to begin. And so all the video is the sales letter. And the sales letter is like 20 minutes. It's an actual training. It's a free video about why you should go with their program and different stats about how children are being left behind. It's actually a really, really good video, and it's kind of eye-opening. So it's worth the watch if you're going to promote this for sure. And again, you get their first name, you get their email. You don't have to get their first name. You can take that out real easy and just get their email. But then, right, okay, so here's what happens is they go to put that email in. Yeah, they want to see the video. Cool, awesome. So this button right here, you come on over here, you click on it, you open this up over here to edit the button, and then you go to set action, and then on this order, it actually submits the form. So what's going to happen is you have that, and boom, it submits the form. You get their email address. It's in your email autoresponder. And again, this is for beginners who actually want to use and collect email addresses. If you don't want to collect email addresses, you can just take that link and just put it from the previous page, this link over here. You take this link and you put it right there. You just put it in whatever your social media profile is. If you follow me on TikTok, I'm teaching you guys how to put links in your TikTok. You would just put that link in right here. It would take them directly to the sales page. But if you want to do it right, you want to focus on some sort of email and capturing emails. That's what online marketing is all about. The list, as many emails as you possibly can. But again, for somebody who's just starting out, you want to get up and running fast. You're not familiar with autoresponders. You don't have the money to invest $20 or $30 or do a 30-day free trial of an autoresponder. That's fine. You can do it that way. But the cool part is you come over here. Again, they put in your email. You have this landing page, right? So you're kind of pre-selling them on what they're going to see, what the video is all about. And then they put their email in, they click this button, it submits the page. But here's the cool part. You come up here, you go to settings, and you go over to general, and then bam, you come over here where it says on submit go to. That's where you copy your link. So your link from the previous page, it actually takes them to the Clickbank offer that's associated with your account. See that, Big Dad? You put that in there, boom. It goes on over to that page. Yeah, that was actually kind of... Anyway, forget that. I just had a brain fart moment. But yeah, they submit it. You got their email now, so you can follow up with them if they don't buy right away. But now they've gone over to the affiliate offer. They're associated with you for life, so that person could buy right then and there. You get the commission. Person buys 2 weeks down the road. You get the commission. They buy 2 years down the road. You'll get the commission. So that's the cool part about Clickbank. So then from there, what you can do is if you set it up with a landing page like this, kind of like how we're teaching in ClickFunnels, you come back out here. Yep, go ahead and leave. Go back. And then you want to take this link right here. This is the magic link right here. See where I got highlighted? You come back and you take this, and that's going to go to the landing page that we just showed you. And don't worry about what this is over there. It's just a split test. So I test different headlines, right? Like the one over here, it says for anyone who wants to teach your child to read but doesn't know where to begin. Over here, it says video reveals how to teach your child age 2 to 9 quickly read at home. Like, so just testing different headlines. That's all it is. It's a split test, but it'll go 50% of traffic here, 50% of traffic there. So this is the link you need, right? And then you go on over to whatever your social media profile is. Again, if you're following me on TikTok, just go right over your TikTok profile. If you're at 1,000 followers, you just hit edit website and you can put that in there and you'll have your link right there. The Facebook profile, you can post this on Facebook, your Facebook business page. You got a Facebook group, you can put it out there. You've got an Instagram profile, a YouTube. You just put this link here, and anytime somebody clicks on that link, they get taken to the offer. So once you have that all set up and the system all set up, that's the power of it, guys, right? You set it up like this one time, you pick one offer, you set it up like this, and then all it is creating content. So like say you got the childhood reading offer and you want to focus on reading and helping parents be able to teach their kids to read. You know, you've got 1,500 followers over on TikTok, or maybe you've got 0 followers, you're just starting on TikTok, and that's a niche you want to get into, right? Set up this offer, have it ready, and then all the content you post on TikTok is about helping your kids to read, helping teach other parents how to teach their kids to read and how reading can be fun for their kids. And you just make content like that, and eventually you build a following who's interested in that product. So when you do put that link there, people are going to be like, oh, what is this? Man, they've shared so much valuable information with me. They've shared so many tips with me about helping my kid to read. Like, I'm going to check this out. And then they go over there, they click through, they give you their email, and then they go to the offer. So that's it. It's super simple. Like the steps again here for you guys. You know, you come on over to Clickbank, you get in the marketplace, you find an offer, you go to their JV page where their affiliate tools are, grab your link, come back over here, set up your landing page, link it so it submits the page. Then under the settings, you actually put on submit go, and then you put the website in there. So yeah, again, you guys got any questions in the Facebook group, feel free to ask me. Anybody who's not, if you're not following me on YouTube already, go there, subscribe, follow me there. Again, we're going to have a ton of new content coming out here soon. I'm really excited for everyone. I'm really glad you guys are here. We're going to learn a lot together, and this is just the beginning. So stay tuned. I'm out.